how's it going today, guys? Trust and Water here. This will be more of an old school vlog. These dudes ain't got no wins. Well, also wouldn't be a vlog of my music interrupting me. But anyways, this will be more of an old school vlog. I'm about to go pick up the most important person in the world, and you'll see who that is here in a second. But, so for today, we gotta go do some Daytona shopping, do some other stuff, and yeah, but let's see where this vlog goes. Maybe more of like a day in the life, maybe, but we'll see where it goes. I got my Gatorade, got some beef jerky, because I have quit energy drinks. That's right, I don't drink any more Monsters, no more Red Bulls. There's a study that came out that I read, my girlfriend sent it to me, and basically it takes 14 days for a Monster to leave, or sorry, a Red Bull just to leave your body. So I'm done with all that. I'm trying some other stuff now, more coffees and stuff like that, training my body used to coffee, and we'll go from there. So let's head over and pick up the most important person in the world. You guys, I told you I'm picking up the most important person in the world. That's how you get brownie points. We just went to the mall. Yeah, we're typical southern people. I got myself a pair of like beach lake shoes because I don't have any anyway, so I bought some of that. Bought this really cool decal right here, so I'm adding to my collection of decals in here. And then I bought myself a Yeti, new Yeti talk. My other one was just trash, so this one slides instead of just the open end, so I like it a lot better. And babe, what did you get?
I got me a floppy hat.
She did. She looked very beautiful in it. And a bunch of other stuff we've got. Well, she got. I'm a very simple shopper. I don't really deviate from what I want. So we just got finished up with lunch, dinner. Did some more shopping. Well, Megan did more shopping. I didn't really buy anything. So right now we're gonna go get our weekly smoothies because we're old and we need our smoothies. We're getting our smoothies now. So we're gonna be little artsy fartsy and marvel at the Tennessee sign that we're about to pass. Today is Sunday. We're out on Norris Lake, back on Lake Mexico that y'all know from last year. We're back out here with the crew. We got Babe, Hunter's babe, and then Hunter's up there. And we're about to go out in the tube. Me and Hunter will be on the jet ski. The girls will have the GoPro on the tube. So this might get very interesting.
If there's any cuss words, I'm sorry.
I'll bleep them out. So we should be good, but we're gonna go out on the lake. It's kind of busy today because it is Memorial Day weekend, so there's a lot of people on the lake, so gotta be kind of careful. But Norris Lake is a pretty big lake anyway, so it's not like we're jam-packed in one area. So it should be good. Now they're on the back. Now I've got the GoPro, and me and Hunter had to give up our sunglasses because apparently they were getting water in the face. Alright, so I'm gonna get on. how far he goes. This is full send. Yee. It is currently Monday, Memorial Day. Before I start the rest of this video, I want to thank all the troops, everyone who has served, who didn't come back home to their families, unfortunately. We salute you all, because without you all, I couldn't do what I'm doing right now, building my truck to my dreams and running a YouTube channel and traveling and everything like that. So I want to thank you all so much for that. So back in the video, everyone's been asking about the mirrors. What's going on with the mirrors? Well, I went to my paint guy Friday. They matched the code to code, and it did not come out right at all. For some reason, the paint is different. Even though this code to code match is way different. Like, take this color and add like a bunch of dull gray and brown into it, and that's what the color of the mirror caps came out like. So there's something way off. So they asked if they could do it. I said they could. They took my gas door off, and they're gonna match it to that with their paint person. So that's why that's off. About to wash the truck, and then the truck's gonna be sent down to my shop to get looked over. I gotta fix the emergency brake on it. I think I got a stuck caliper on the driver's side front wheel. I think I've got a stuck caliper, so they're gonna fix that, go over the rest of the truck, make sure that looks good, and then we'll be almost on our way to Daytona. But this week's gonna be crunch week. This week's gonna try to finish up the last minute details and stuff like that. Is the truck anywhere ready for where I want it to be? Heck no, of course not. It's always a work in progress, but we're getting there. So that's what's coming up, and we're gonna keep pushing through it. Clip, I just got the truck all cleaned up. It's all washed, and I'm waiting for it to dry off so I can wax it. But right now I'm cleaning out the interior. The interior hasn't been cleaned out in probably like 2-ish weeks, 3-ish weeks. So I'm gonna clean out the interior, get all that settled in, get that ready for Daytona. It's like a pre-clean before the main clean next weekend, so I don't have to do as much next weekend as now. So we'll get all this taken care of, get it all cleaned out, get it all set up and prepped and ready to go, and then we'll take it down to the shop tonight and drop it off, and then we should be good to go. And my decal on my banners, or my brows, looking really good. I like all those decals up there. So it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time. I just got done cleaning the truck, putting the wax on and cleaning up the windows, making it look a whole lot better than it was. But I want to show you all products. Again, not a sponsorship. It's just what I've used, and it's called this Insta Wax Spray Carnivia. I think I said that right. Wax and sealant by Chemical Guys. And this stuff is freaking insane. It was like a mirror-like finish when I was done with it. What you do is you spray on the panel, wipe it with one microfiber towel over the panel, let it like kind of look like a misty paste. Take another clean one and wipe it off, and it'll seal it, and it makes it super slick. and just super stupid shiny, and I love it. So I just got done doing that over the whole truck, making sure I got everywhere, making it look a whole lot better. Of course, not on the Linux. The Linux doesn't need it on the front, but it looks 10 times better. God bless, I love the way this truck looks with that sealant on it. And hopefully it's a long-lasting sealant, so I don't have to do it all the time, just kind of wash it and rinse it off and whatnot. So we'll see, but I freaking love it. Truck is all done, so I'm gonna drop it off tonight at the shop to get everything fixed on it, and then we'll go from there. So I just want to remind you all that I just lost my train of thought. That the giveaway is still on. So if I hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and Instagram by the end of summer, so the last day of summer is the last day of this challenge, then I will be doing a massive giveaway to one of you all, and you get a choice of me releasing video of me and Hunter twerking, or my girlfriend, Hunter, Ivy, Colin, all the family will wax my legs. So make your choices. Comment down below what you want. The poll for that isn't up 100% yet. That'll be if I get to 10,000. If you get 10,000 subscribers and followers before that, then of course I will. I'll do it sooner. But the deadline is the end of summer. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.